Hello, hi everyone. How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are talking about wheel painting, and just to give you a disclaimer before you watch this video, this is not a professional work. This is something what I did as per myself, do it yourself. So enjoy the video. So as I said earlier, from these wheels, which were look really dirty, I was able to turn them like this. And since I did that for the first time, I'm kind of happy with the work. Let me speed up the procedure and start with the sanding. So I'm using a simple sandpaper and I start to sand the wheels. So sanding is a bit time consuming. I just literally did a high level sanding. It could be done better, but again, this is my first try to paint those wheels. So to clean the sanded wheels, I just bring some petrol in a petrol can, and with a towel I went over the wheels to clean it out properly or near properly. Once that was done, I have waited a couple of minutes to make sure it is dried, and then it was time for the first layer of primer, and actually the last layer of primer, but let's discuss about that a bit later. Just as a reminder, I'm not a professional painter, and probably all the painters are watching like, what the is that? And I kind of give them right, but somehow I have to learn it as well. And actually I enjoyed the process, so I was okay with that. And to be honest, right after the first layers of the primer, the wheels were already starting to looking better, in my opinion, compared to what we have as the base there present. So yeah. Now let's see the elephant in the room. And looking back to the end result and the process what I did, I should be resanding the primer because it's filling the gaps from the first layer of sanding, and also could help me to corrugate of some of the deformation on the wheel, and then repaint it, and then again resand it with a smaller sandpaper or which has the surface little bit not so scratchy, and with water, and I could probably achieve perfect or near perfect results. So again, I was kind of in a rush and skipped a ton of the steps, but as you might have seen, I have already started to paint the wheel, and it looks good, to be honest, but it's not a perfect work. So those who has experience or doesn't have experience in painting the wheels, please Let me know in the comment section below what could I do it better, and what is your honest opinion about the results, because I'm curious what you have to say to me. And in case if you want to see similar videos in the future, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, because it would mean a lot to me. Thank you very much for your attention. I really hope that this video will be helpful for you. If not, then I have enjoyed the process, so don't worry. Have a nice day.